Welcome back to DocTuber. Myself Dr. Shiv Shankar Pal. I will be today discussing about COVID-19 flu diet. So if you are diagnosed with COVID-19, so what would you eat? It's very important because COVID-19 is an inflammatory disease. It will spread widespread inflammation throughout our body and damage our body. So you need food rich in antioxidants and which is anti-inflammatory. So please watch this video till the end. Do not skip it because it is going to be very important. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe because you will get informative videos like these throughout, and do stay tuned till the end of the video. Now, what is flu diet? Flu diet is anti-inflammatory, rich in antioxidants, rich in vitamin and essential minerals. It's low in carbohydrate and consists of antiviral foods. Now, Ayush Kwath is promoted by the Ministry of Ayush. It is an immunity booster. It consists of anti-inflammatory and antiviral substances like ginger, clove, pepper powder, turmeric powder, tulsi leaves and cinnamon powder. Now boil these in hot water for 5 minutes and take 2 to 3 times daily. Now intake of Chyawanprash can help to build our immunity system, and adults can take 10 gram of Chyawanprash every day, and it is promoted by the Ministry of Ayush. Drinking green smoothie can be of great benefit. It contains natural anti-inflammatory substances. It is rich in minerals and vitamins and antioxidants. Recipe for green smoothie shared below. Grind these ingredients in mixer and take 1 glass at breakfast. Salads are of great benefit during flu. It contains low calories. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances. In salads, you should take cucumber, onion, tomatoes, carrots, garlic, which has potent antiviral activity. You should take 6 cloves per day during infection. You should take celery, lemon and raw turmeric, which has excellent anti-inflammatory activity due to curcumin. You have to take it 30 grams per day. During flu, vitamin C is of utmost importance because it is a potent antioxidant and it prevents the inflammatory damage from the flu. Now, citrus fruits contains ample amount of vitamin C. Mosambi or sweet lime and orange juice are premium sources of vitamin C. Other sources are amla and guava. Coconut water is perfect for restoring hydration and replenishing electrolytes lost during fever. It contains balanced amount of potassium, magnesium, sodium and calcium. Pomegranate juice contains potent antioxidants. It is anti-inflammatory and fights free radical damage in the body. Now, what are the indications of flu diet? If you are having flu-like symptoms like runny nose, cough, body ache, throat pain, headache with fever, or you are having COVID-19 positive, or you are suffering from flu-like symptoms with contact history with COVID patients. On day 1 of the fever, you have to follow this regime given in the chart. Suppose your body weight is 60, then you have to take 60 by 10, that is equal to 6 glasses of citrus juice and 6 glasses of coconut water or pomegranate juice throughout the day. You have to take Ayush Kwath 3 glasses daily, and you have to take green smoothie at breakfast, and if you are still hungry you can take unripe guavas or salad at dinner. On day 2 of fever, if your body weight is 60, then you have to take 60 by 20, that is equal to 3 glasses of citrus juice and 3 glasses of coconut water or pomegranate juice throughout the day. You have to take Ayush Kwath 3 glasses daily, green smoothie at breakfast, and you have to take 60 multiplied by 5, that is 300 grams of salad at lunch. You can take unripe guavas or salad at dinner if you are hungry. By day 3 of fever or flu, you will find yourself more energetic and your fever will certainly decrease. At breakfast, you have to take 2 glasses of citrus juice and 2 glasses of coconut water or pomegranate juice. You have to take green smoothie with it and Ayush Kwath 3 glasses daily throughout the day. At lunch, you can take 300 grams of salad with unripe guava. At dinner, you can take home cooked food with less oil. Now, if your fever didn't decrease completely by day 3, you have to continue this diet on day 3 for another 2 to 3 days. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. See you in next episode.